Hello Internet! If you're new in my channel, this is Angel May, Bisaya-American. So I hope everyone has a good Thanksgiving. So for today's vlog guys, I'm gonna do unboxing for my new laptop. I got this through Amazon. I got this delivered 4 days ago. But the problem is I'm so busy. I work full time and work 8 hours. And then now is the only time that I have time to do unboxing. Oh, I have a visitor here. He's always in my channel. This is Jack. Jack is a feral cat, but we adopt this cat for so long, since baby. Sorry for the interrupting. And now I'm going back to my topic that I'm gonna show you guys this new laptop. If you're looking for a laptop, so this is vlog is for you. So let's start it guys. Alright, it's a big box. It's pretty big box guys. They wrap pretty good. So this is my laptop here. I'm gonna show you guys. Here. So they have bubble wrap for protection. Let's take this out. Okay, let's see what's over here. I need a new laptop guys because my old one, this one here, is a Chromebook. I got this for about 6 years ago, but it's need update, and it's only lasts for 5 years for to get update. And I have a bunch of videos. I will experiment using laptop through editing guys. And I get the laptop because there's more storage than the Chromebook. There's only limited for Chromebook. The only good for Chromebook is when you open, it's open quickly. But laptop, you have to wait a little bit. It's easy for me. So if I have problem for my device guys, send me this brochure here for contact. And this is Acer Aspire 5. I got my cord. So I got my cord guys. We have protection side by side. Protect the laptop. Yes. I'll show you everything what's inside the box. Okay, for distributor guys. So this is the brand name. Acer Aspire 5. This is 15.6 inches guys. So there's the laptop guys. So I have instructions, so I have to do step by step. They have also instruction for international. So this laptop, guys, is 15.6 inches in Windows 11. Also fingerprint reader, and they have 256 gigabytes and quad-core mobile. So let me open this one here. This is a slim type of laptop, guys. So this looks like this. So I need to set up my laptop and everything. I hope this video helps you guys, to those who's looking for a new laptop. This is Acer Aspire 5 Slim Laptop. It's Wi-Fi 6 and fingerprint reader and Windows 11. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for all the viewers that always support me. Please don't forget to like if you like this video, and then comment below. And adios! Bye-bye!